In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Forms in a straightforward and beginner-friendly way. Let's get started by opening your Wix editor. First, log into wix.com. Once you're inside, choose the website you wish to work on and click Edit Site. After the editor loads, navigate to the page where you plan to add a form. This is usually your contact or about page. Now let's add a Wix form. On the left-hand sidebar, click the Add Elements icon represented by a plus sign. As you scroll, find and click Contact and Forms. You'll see an array of forms to choose from, including Contact Form, Get Subscribers, Lead Capture, Feedback Form, and Custom Form. For beginners, I recommend starting with the Contact Form because it's easy to modify. Click and drag your chosen form onto the page. With the form now on your page, it's time to customize the form fields. Simply click the form to open the Form Settings panel. To modify a field, click on it, like the name or email field, and select Edit Field. You'll be able to adjust the field title, change the placeholder text, toggle whether the field is required or optional, and even switch the field type, such as text, dropdown, or checkbox. To add a new field, click Add New Field, and choose from options like Short Text, Paragraph Text, Dropdown, Checkbox, Date Picker, or File Upload. For instance, if you're using this form to collect project inquiries, you might add fields like name, email, project type as a dropdown, and message. Moving on to step 4, we'll set up form submission settings. Click on your form, then go to Settings, followed by Form Settings. Under Submission Settings, you can choose where the responses will be sent, either to your email or Wix inbox. You can also personalize the success message that users see after submission, such as, "Thanks, I'll get back to you within 24 hours." An optional step is to redirect users to a special thank you page after they submit the form. Once finalized, just click Done. To manage your form responses, remember that all submissions are stored in your Wix dashboard. To access them, go to the Wix dashboard, click Customer Management, then Form Submissions. Here, you can view entries, export data to Excel, and directly respond to messages. A pro tip here: by installing the Wix Owner app, you can receive instant notifications whenever someone fills out your form. Lastly, let's make your form visually appealing to match your brand. Click on the form and choose Design. You'll be able to change the font styles, button colors, field shapes, and even adjust background and spacing. If you want a